Now, liquid nitrogen boils at minus 196 degrees Celsius.
Hang on. Did you just say that stuff boils at minus 196 degrees Celsius?
I did, yes.
But I thought for something to be able to boil, it had to be really hot, like when you boil a kettle full of water.
Actually, no. Liquid nitrogen actually boils cold. And when something boils, it means it has enough energy to turn from a liquid to a gas.
Oh, there's a nice cheap fact of the day.
Now, would you like to see something exciting?
I think I would. Would you like to see something exciting?
Okay, now here I have a balloon. And inside here is breath, which is a type of gas. Now I'm going to turn that gas into a liquid. So before I go any further, let me pop my safety goggles on. So, into the liquid nitrogen, it goes. Now, as you can see, it's starting to get smaller. Now the molecules are losing all that energy and turning from a gas to a liquid.
Oh yes, and right at the bottom of the balloon, there's now a tiny bit of liquid.
Yes, now this is the cool bit. As I take it out, the heat from the air all around us, because it is much warmer, makes it go back to its original size.
Because all the molecules inside the balloon were being heated up and gaining enough energy to turn from a liquid back to a gas. Hey, that is pretty cool. Let's give Colette a big round of applause, everyone.
Thank you. Now, would you like to see something dangerous? Okay, so liquid nitrogen is constantly boiling and nothing can stop that. So what would happen if we were to pour liquid nitrogen into this bottle and close the lid?
Well, let's find out. If we take 1 cupful, 2 cupfuls, maybe even a cheeky little 3rd cup. Now Colette is just going to make sure that the barrel is set in the centre so we can all see it. So while she's doing that, let's just quickly talk about the bottle. The liquid nitrogen is boiling away at the very, very bottom, and nothing can stop that. I hope you can all see the gas clouds just keep escaping out the top of the bottle. So of course, once we put the lid on really, really tight, we're going to be trapping all that gas inside the bottle. The bottle will then start to expand, getting bigger and bigger and bigger, until I'm sure you've all guessed it, a great big bang. Which means there's just one question to ask. Do you guys want to see it? Yeah! Our type of audience, we're going to finish part 1 with a great big liquid nitrogen bang.
And don't forget, if those of you who would like to participate in our big group experiment in part 2, you still have time to get those glow sticks in the interval.
Okay, but here we go. Get those cameras ready and take your photos and videos and boomerangs and slow-mos and whatever else you kids do these days. Here we go. It is now time for the experiment. The liquid nitrogen is boiling away at the very bottom. The gas clouds keep escaping. We use the lid to trap all the gas inside the bottle. A few twists to make sure it's on nice and tight. That's pretty good. Into the bin it goes. Okay, all right, everybody. Fingers in ears.